everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional pastry chef. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं one of the most loved dessert around the world, and that is red velvet pastry. Today we'll be making this dessert from scratch, starting with the sponge along with the delectable cream cheese frosting. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, so that आप हमारे सभी वीडियोस के साथ अपडेटेड रह पाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम इस स्क्वायर रिंग को डबल क्लिंग रैप कर लेंगे। और इसको अच्छे से ऑयल के साथ ग्रीस कर लेंगे। And we'll also place a piece of butter pepper at the bottom. Now in this bowl, we'll sift all the dry ingredients starting from all-purpose flour, followed by natural cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We'll keep this aside and start creaming unsalted butter and castor sugar together until we get a light and fluffy mixture. अगर आपका बटर बहुत हार्ड या मेल्टिंग फॉर्म में होगा तो क्रीमिंग प्रोसेस अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगा। So while creaming, make sure कि आप room temperature butter ही use करें। Now in this, we'll mix in eggs and vanilla essence. अब हम रेड जेल कलर एंड बटर मिल्क को मिक्स करके इस बटर मिक्सचर में ऐड कर देंगे। Lastly, we'll fold in the dry ingredients and mix properly to get smooth and lump-free batter. We'll pour this batter into the prepared ring and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Smooth out the top as well. Meanwhile, let's make the frosting. For that, we'll first soften cream cheese a bit. Then beat unsalted butter until it's light and fluffy in texture. So as you guys can see that our butter's texture has changed. Now in this, we'll add sifted icing sugar in parts and beat it simultaneously. Lastly, we'll fold in soft cream cheese along with vanilla essence and some salt. Now we'll transfer it to a piping bag and keep it aside. So our red velvet sponge is baked and is completely cooled down. Now we'll demold it and divide it into 3 parts. Now let's move on to the assembly of the pastry. तो सबसे पहले हम एक स्पॉन्ज लेयर को लेके इस रिंग में प्लेस कर देंगे. Then we'll soak it a little with the soaking syrup. So for the soaking syrup, मैंने simply water और vanilla essence को mix किया है. अब हम इसके ऊपर अपनी क्रीम चीज फ्रॉस्टिंग को पाइप कर देंगे. Then we'll place another layer of sponge on top and repeat the same process as we did earlier. So हमारा red velvet pastry halfway ready है. We'll keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So our pastry is out of the fridge. Now we'll run a heat gun through the side of the ring and lift it. We'll now cut it into 6 parts. And pipe 3 dollops of the frosting on each part. And lastly, we'll sprinkle some red velvet cookie crumbs on top. With this, our red velvet pastry is ready to go. I really hope कि आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी पसंद आई. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comment section what you want to learn next. And I'll be back with another recipe. Till then, keep baking.